Matt, you've had a fantastic show so far, haven't you? I know it's early doors on Thursday. I want to learn about this SR-32J II, launched last year, I believe.
Yeah, it's launched last summer and it's a real powerhouse.
I mean, you've got a lot of 32J machines in the field, so what's the upgrades, what's the changes?
That's a big upgrades on this one. I mean, it's a ton heavier than the last model, so in comparison to competition, it's a lot heavier as well. A lot thicker webbing, so it can take heavier cuts, more power on the spindles and on the live tools.
What about the collets on this? You said you're now up to ER20.
Yeah, so you can put much bigger tools in there, so higher metal removal rates.
And the kilowatt powers on the driven tools as well, isn't that up significantly as well to 4 kilowatts?
Yeah, huge. Yeah, the old model was 1.1, so you're now up to 4 kilowatts on the main spindle tooling. It's a huge increase.
So why have Star developed this machine, Matt? Is it to move them into a different arena, start tackling much bigger and heavier and harder parts far faster?
Yeah, that's basically in essence. You just want the parts coming off faster. You can hit the jobs a lot harder as well, and with the extra power in the spindles and then the clamping on the collets as well, you can obviously do a lot harder work.
And what about that? Is there a B-axis on this machine?
There's no B-axis, but you can have a manual angled milling head in there if you need to.
And then on the back working spindle, have you still got similar power on the back for the driven tools on the back working spindle as you have on the front?
Yes, it's been upped again. So the old one again was it's been doubled up. So you've got just over 2 kilowatts on live tools on the back, and there's more positions as well.
And the HFT, is that creating a lot of interest for you here at the show?
Oh, it's been fantastic. Yeah, I mean, we're running 316 HE30 aluminium and 304 stainless on quite a few of the machines, so people can actually see it in action and see the finish.
And what feedback are you getting from your customers that are visiting the stand here today about the machines that you're showing, and especially the HFT software as well?
They're loving it. You get to see everything in action, but not only that, for a lot of customers, it's come to the shopping place to go and see what they want next.
And I know you've sold machines as well this week, which is great. It's what you come to a show for. But I think when you sell something at a show, it shows that you have beaten your competition, because they're not just going to come and look at you, they're going to look at everything else as well, aren't they?
Yeah, I mean, that's it. They can go anywhere they want, so shake hands on the stand is perfect.